Welcome to our YouTube Whiteboard explainer on ISO 9001-2015, the international standard for quality management systems. In the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about ISO 9001, from its definition and scope to its benefits. So, let's dive right in. ISO 9001-2015 is all about quality. It's a set of guidelines that help organizations like yours consistently deliver products and services that meet customer expectations. It's like the recipe for a perfect dish, ensuring everything you serve is top-notch. One key concept is the process approach. Instead of just focusing on isolated tasks, ISO 9001 encourages organizations to see their operations as interconnected processes. Think of it like gears in a machine, working together smoothly to achieve a common goal. ISO 9001 is built on 8 quality principles. Let's quickly go through each one. Customer focus. Your business should revolve around your customers' needs and expectations. Leadership. Strong leadership guides your ship through the rough waters, setting the course for success. Engagement of people. Happy employees mean a happier workplace, leading to better quality. Process approach. We've covered this one, interconnected processes. Improvement. Constantly strive to be better. Small improvements add up to big changes. Evidence-based decision-making. Don't just guess. Base your decisions on data and facts. Relationship management. Nurture relationships with customers and suppliers to ensure a smooth sale. Factual approach to decision-making. Data, data, data. Make decisions based on evidence. Now, let's take a closer look at the sections included in the ISO 9001 framework, beginning with the open sections. Introduction. An overview of the standard's purpose and intent. Scope. Defines what parts of your organization are covered by ISO 9001. Normative references. Lists any external documents that should be considered alongside ISO 9001. Terms and definitions. A glossary to ensure everyone is speaking the same language. Now, let's dive into the main sections. Context of the organization. It's like setting the stage, understanding your business, your industry, and your customers. Leadership. The big bosses set the vision and direction. Planning. This is where you create a roadmap to achieve your quality goals. Support. Resources and support systems are like the pillars holding up your quality structure. Moving on, the subsequent main sections are operation. This is where the rubber meets the road. You make your products and deliver your services here. Performance evaluation. Regular checkups to see how you're doing and if there's room for improvement. Improvement. The icing on the cake. Taking what you've learned and getting better. Imagine a restaurant implementing ISO 9001. They'd focus on customer satisfaction, maintain clear leadership, ensure their staff is engaged, and streamline processes in the kitchen. By collecting customer feedback and monitoring food safety, they're practicing evidence-based decision-making. Their strong relationship with suppliers ensures they get the best ingredients. And by continually improving, they create a dining experience that keeps customers coming back. So, why is ISO 9001 valuable? Here are some benefits of ISO implementation. Improved quality. Consistency in delivering quality products and services. Customer satisfaction. Happy customers mean repeat business. Reduced costs. Streamlined processes and fewer errors save money. Competitive advantage. ISO 9001 certification can set you apart from competitors. Risk management. Mitigating risks. Continuous improvement. A culture of learning and getting better. ISO 9001-2015 may sound like a mouthful, but it's all about delivering quality, maintaining high standards, and making your business better. It's a recipe for success that anyone can follow. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and remember, quality matters.